head, neck lateral flexion. The primary movers in lateral head, neck flexion include the sternocleidomastoid, anterior scalene, middle scalene, posterior scalene, splenius capitis, and splenius cervicis. To demonstrate head, neck lateral flexion, ask students to, slowly and without raising their shoulders, attempt to touch their ears to the tops of their shoulders. The key here is the isolated lateral movement away from the midline of the body, moving the head toward the shoulder, left or right, from a point below the skull. From a posterior view where they are enabled, ask students to alternate using the fade and hide functions on some of the surrounding muscles involved in lateral flexion. Hiding the sternocleidomastoid, for example, given its size, will allow students to view relevant muscles below, and comprehend the multi-layered nature